Unlocking the fun of multiplayer session in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's very popular in the gaming community but also widely used in various other contexts. The phrase is multiplayer session. Whether you're a gamer, a language enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's decode its meaning together and find out how you can use it in your daily conversations. Multiplayer session consists of two words that are key to understanding its meaning: multiplayer and session. Multiplayer refers to a game or activity that involves more than one player. The prefix multi means many or multiple, indicating the involvement of several people. Session refers to a period devoted to a particular activity. It implies that this activity has a start and an end. When combined, multiplayer session refers to a period during which multiple players come together to participate in a game or activity. This phrase is not limited to video games. It can refer to any activity that involves multiple participants and occurs during a specific period. While multiplayer session is commonly associated with video games, its usage extends to various other contexts. Let's explore some examples. Video games. In gaming, a multiplayer session is when players from different locations connect, usually online, to play a game together. Games like Fortnite, Minecraft, and Among Us often involve players joining a multiplayer session to compete or collaborate. Educational workshops. In educational contexts, a multiplayer session might refer to an interactive workshop or seminar where participants engage in group activities or discussions. This usage emphasizes collaboration and learning in a group setting. Business meetings. In the corporate world, multiplayer session can be used metaphorically to describe a meeting or brainstorming session where team members come together to work on a project or solve a problem collaboratively. Sports and recreation. In sports, a multiplayer session could refer to a scheduled time when people come together to play a team sport or participate in a group fitness class. Now that we understand what a multiplayer session is and where it can be applied, let's look at some examples of how to use it in a sentence. I joined a multiplayer session of Apex Legends last night, and it was a lot of fun. Our company is organizing a multiplayer session next week to brainstorm new marketing strategies. Are you interested in a multiplayer session of chess this Saturday at the club? The workshop includes a multiplayer session where participants will collaborate on solving complex problems. Thank you for watching our video on multiplayer session. We hope this exploration has not only helped you understand the phrase but also shown you how it can be used in various contexts beyond gaming. English is a dynamic language with phrases that often transcend their original meanings, and multiplayer session is a great example of this. Remember, practicing English in fun and interactive settings, like multiplayer sessions, can significantly enhance your language skills. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.